Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the topic Wonderbirds, which comes under natural world. Birds have some very quirky features. We will guess the name of the birds using the clues that are given. The first clue is these birds are distinguished by their large, brightly colored triangular beaks. This has led some to dub them the bottlenose or sea parrot. They are excellent swimmers who use their wings to stroke underwater with a flying motion. So, the features of these birds are they have large, brightly colored triangular beak and also known as bottlenose and sea parrot. They are excellent swimmer also and they use their wings to stroke underwater with a flying motion. So can you guess the name of this bird? These birds are puffins. So these birds are called puffins. The second clue is these large birds use their large elastic pouches to catch fish. Most species form a line or a U shape and drive fish into shallow water by beating their wings on the surface. When fish get to the shallows, they simply scoop them up. So, the special feature of these birds are they have large elastic pouches and they use them to catch fish. They form U shape when they drive fish from shallow water, so they can catch the fish easily. So, can you guess the bird's name through this clue? The name of this bird is pelican. I repeat again, the name of this bird is pelican. The third clue is these birds are found in American tropical forest. Their oversized colorful bills can be 1/3 of their total length. The birds use them to reach fruits on branches that are too small to support their weight. So these birds are basically found in American tropical forest and their special feature is their bills, or we can say beak, are oversized and colorful, and which is 1/3 of their total length of the body, and they use their beaks to reach fruit on branches. So can you guess the name of this bird? The name of this bird is toucan. I'll repeat, the name of this bird is toucan. The fourth clue is these long-necked large birds are tall and live in fresh water or wetlands and swamps. They can be identified by their long legs, brightly colored featherless heads and prominent bills. So basically these birds are very large and tall and also they have long neck and they live in freshwater or wetlands and in swampy areas. They also have long legs and prominent bills, or we can say beaks, and they have brightly colored featherless heads. That means their heads do not possess any feathers. So can you guess the name of this bird? The name of this bird is stork. Now I am showing you pictures of some birds. Try to recognize those birds. Here is the picture of first bird. Can you recognize the bird from the picture? Okay, I am telling you the name of this bird. The name of this bird is macaw. And now I will tell you the fact about macaw. Macaw are king-sized members of parrot family with larger beaks and long tail feathers. Now I am showing you the picture of second bird. Can you identify the name of the bird? Well, the name of the bird is rhea, and this bird is a species of flightless bird native to eastern South America and is distantly related to ostrich and emu. Now here is the picture of the third bird. Can you recognize the bird name from the picture? The name of the bird is albatross. And the special feature of this bird is albatross have the longest wingspan among all the birds that measures up to 11 feet. Now coming to the picture of the last bird. Can you identify the name of the bird after watching the picture of the bird? Well, the name of the bird is kookaburra. And the feature of this bird is kookaburra is the biggest member of the kingfisher family and have some blue feathers on the wings and tail. Now I will tell you some facts about more birds. Have you seen tailor bird before? So tailor bird makes its nest by weaving and stitching the leaves. It uses its sharp beak to stitch the leaves on a bush. Do you know why quail lay its eggs in crow's nest? It is because quail does not make its own nest and crow hatches the eggs of quail with its own eggs. Now the question arises, where does crow makes its nest? Crow makes its nest high up on a tree using wirewood, grass and twigs. One of the most important fact is that we, the human beings, can rotate our eyes, but birds cannot because birds have fixed eye position. So in order to see in different direction, birds move their neck in different direction. Among all birds, owl has maximum capacity to rotate its neck up to 360 degree, while myna can move its neck back and forth with jerk. And it is very interesting to know that some birds have 4 times better vision than humans, such as eagle, kites, vulture have strongest eyesight among all birds. So these are some important facts related to birds. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.